guys, thank you so much for tuning into my channel and those new around over here. My name is Paul and I talk about a lot of things. In case you have missed my stuff, you can go and check the playlist out and yeah, put in your comments. So today's topic is about having a setup for studio setup for beginners. So we're gonna talk about that. I also made some lists, so in case I forget, so this will help me out. Well, please watch the video till the end because I'm giving some bonus tips. It might be very useful for those who are beginners into production and want to go into music production. The first and foremost thing what I would like to say is have a budget. A budget, yes, have a budget because you need a lot of money to buy gears, and yes, it is very important. So fix a budget, okay? Now, coming back to the points, what we need and the gear. Before that, I like to tell you something. I'm using LCT Pure 440 by Lewitt. It's a nice microphone. I'm using it on purpose so you can hear the quality and decide for your own self. So in case you want me to do a review on this product, definitely I'll do it for you. So please put in your comments for that. Well, I'm using the Lewitt and the 440 Pure LCT, and it directly gets connected to my sound card, which is Steinberg UR22 Mark II. And from there, we are directly recording it in my DAW Logic. I'm using Logic Pro. The first and foremost thing what you need is a laptop. It might be a Mac or a PC. So it's very important. And minimum RAM I would say is 8 GB. Don't go for 4 GB. Go for 8 GB minimum, and maximum maybe put some more money. Those who can go nothing like it for 16 GB, which will be stable to use those VST plugins. But for a beginner, I would say 8 GB is more than enough, more than sufficient, and I use 8 GB on my iMac. Yeah, so it's a little bit draggy, but my work can be done, so no complaints about it. The second thing what you need is a DAW. Now, those who don't know what a DAW is, it's a digital audio workstation. Okay, so what happens over here is what now as I'm talking to you all, it's been recording in my DAW. Over here, the DAW what I use is Logic Pro. Now, besides this, there are a lot of softwares. I'll name a few, so it will help you decide which one to go in for. And my choice, personally, I would say you have Ableton Live, which is has a demo version for Windows and for Mac. And I would say try the light version, which is Ableton Live 10, I think so. 11 is not out yet, so they are working on it. So you can try the Ableton Live and see the features because it's free. And if you're a Mac user, then you have GarageBand, which comes for free. And I think so there's a trial version for these products, so you can definitely try them out. But I would say don't try the trial version, because once you are forced and you like it, you will be forced to buy the product. So for that you need funds, and in India it's very difficult for people to invest on a lot of products. So yeah, so let's I'll name some softwares or DAWs so which can be used. There's Cubase or Nuendo can be used. There is also Fruity Loops, which is massively used in our country, and it's called FL Studio. And then there's Studio One, which is launched. Then there's another DAW which is recently launched by Universal Audio. It's called Luna. So I've not tried it out, but I think so it works only on Mac. I have no idea about, but I think so it works on Windows itself. Please put in your comments. So I don't know about Luna. And there are plenty of other DAWs. You can put in your comments what you use, and yeah, so that's the thing. Then the next thing what you need is a sound card. Please note, sound cards start from a very low budget to a very high budget. Same thing with the DAWs as mentioned earlier. you have budget for the softwares if you're buying legal stuff. But yeah, I would say please go in and buy legal stuff. It's very good. So coming back to the sound card, so we have brands like Steinberg, the UR22. I'll put my link in the description. What sound card I'm using, so you please check the description. Then you have sound card made by Behringer. Then you have Roland, Focusrite, and a lot of other companies which make the sound cards. So then we have studio headphones. So what headphones you need? Please note one thing, that used a closed. What do I mean? I'll let you know, because yes, this is a closed one. So what happens is over here, once you use open the back which is open, what happens? There's a leakage. So if anything, you're recording, the sound goes out to that. So I picked up these headphones. So I'll put the links in the description what I use. This is a Newman what I'm using. So they are pretty nice, but I would say, and expensive too. But I would say go in for Behringer or AKG or um, Audio Technica is a very good company. It works out very nice. And JBL, there's Sony, there's Sennheiser. There are plenty of brands. But I would say if you have friends around who are into production, and maybe try their headphones. Yamaha also, there's a nice model in Yamaha too. And please put in your comments, so it might be helpful for all around over here, those who are watching my channel. So your comments are very important. Please put in your comments. So next, we have studio speakers. Yes, coming back to, I use the HS8 by Yamaha, and there are brands by Roland. There are brands by this company called Monkey Banana. I don't know whether you heard about this. Then there is JBL Sonodyne. It's an Indian company, very good. I was supposed to buy them, but then I changed my mind. I bought the 8-inch because I needed something in the low end for the music. So the hit was coming nice on the 8-inch. So I went for the 8-inch. Then there are, if you have a little bit high budget, then you can go for the Adam or Genelec. Beautiful speakers, and some of the studios in Goa, they use Genelec. So that's there. Then coming back to studio microphone, well, there are plenty of brands, plenty of brands. Now there are a lot of companies. I would personally feel for a home studio, go with the Lewitt LCT Pure 440 if you have the budget, or you can go for the cheaper one, which is the 240 Pro, I think so. Yes, if I'm not mistaken. The 240 Pro. So you can try those microphones. They are very easy to use. And then Audio Technica definitely is a nice company which makes mic. Then I would suggest Rode. Yeah, then Shure, which also comes. So that is there. And a lot of other companies. Then you need some, definitely you need some cables to connect, XLR cables or jack to jack cables. That's very important. The last thing what you need is a MIDI controller. What I use is a COG Micro. It's a 3-octave MIDI controller. Does the job, and I'm using it for a very long time now. Almost been 1 year since I'm using this, and it's really good. And there are other brands like M Audio. There is Aturia, which is a little bit expensive. Those who are into keyboard playing will know about it. Okay? And in case you want to mention any boards, please do mention controllers in your comments, which will help a lot of people around over here. Okay, coming back to my bonus tip. Now, in case you already own a mixer with a USB, you can use it as a sound card. And those owners who are having MG12XU by Yamaha or any product by Yamaha which is having the USB, I would say, guys, you already have a sound card on the mixer. So try to use that and work on it, and you can use it for live playing as well as at home studio. Don't invest on a sound card. And those new around over here, those who don't have any sound card, go in for the bundle by Steinberg. They come with a sound card and also with the microphone and cables, so go in for that. That will come very handy. And also a bundle by Focusrite. So choose what you want to go in for, or maybe Steinberg, or you want to go in for Focusrite. Decide and then buy it. All right. Well, in case you're new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe and love and support. And yeah, share this video, like, comment. Till then, I'll see you soon. Stay safe. God bless.